Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man.
Okay. Dito sa commitment, dito tayo nagkakaroon na ng problema. Ang unang kinakikitaan natin ng commitment or isang basehan natin for commitment is yung kanilang time. Yung regular na pag-attend nila ng rehearsals and practices or yung kanilang punctuality. Yan. By the way, mayroong pagkakaiba itong dalawang word na ito, the practice and rehearsals. Ano po ang pagkakaiba nitong practice and rehearsal? Sa tingin natin pareho, pero these are two different things. Anyone from the live, pero wala akong monitor board.
Ako po,
Yes.
Pastor.
Yes po.
Justin po. Practice
yes,
po
sir.
yung ginagawa po natin ng mag-isa sa bahay. Nare ako, gitarista ako, so yung line-up is papracticein ko siya sa bahay mag-isa. Yung rehearsal naman kasama ng buong team, kumbaga.
Yes, exactly. Yun po ang difference ng practice and rehearsal. Practice is personal. Rehearsal is applying yung pre-practice mo with the team. Yan. Thank you po. Yes, yun po, natumbok po natin. Alright. So, commitment to regular practice. May mga tao kasi na masipag sa rehearsals pero sa practice hindi. Kaya pagdating ng rehearsal, imbis na 1 hour to 2 hours lang yung kanilang rehearsals, nagiging 3 or 4 hours at napapagod na sila for Sunday. Imbis na energetic pa sila, pagod na sila kasi nasayang yung oras. Instead of having their personal practice at home, ay lalong nadagdagan yung kanilang time kasi hindi nakapag-sepra. Ayan. Commitment also in submission ng repertoire or set list. By the way, nabanggit ni Sir kanina yung word na line-up. Ito po yung isa sa misconception natin sa paggamit ng terminology na line-up at saka repertoire. Though nakasanayan na kasi natin na ginagamit ang word na line-up when referring to the songs. But actually, line-up refers to the people involved or people comprising the music team. So, the more appropriate terminology is repertoire or set list. Yan. Ulitin ko po, line-up refers to the people who will be playing, who will be singing, who will be operating the lyrics. Yan, yun po yung line-up. But repertoire refers to the songs or set list. Ayan. Dito po natin nakikita ang commitment ng mga music team members natin. Practice and rehearsal, submission of repertoire, at saka yung time nila, yung punctuality nila doon sa pag-attend ng mga rehearsals and yung actual na service po natin. Ayan. And finally, conduct. Conduct or the ethical standards natin as worship team members. Okay. Kasama po dito ang pamumuhay natin bilang showing a godly lifestyle. So, let us embrace and let us reflect yung na talagang Kristiyano tayo at hindi assuming lang. Ayan. Kung napapansin niyo, hindi ko na binabasa itong mga to kasi more on experiences na lang. Self-explanatory actually. You can have the copy of the PowerPoint later on.
Sa Mobile Bible School, tayo'y nagtitipon online. Sa tahanan man o saan ka man, naroroon tunay kaalamang makalangit.